Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. I'm going to share one for everyone today. The trick is simple, but it's extremely effective in life. Have you ever combined a magnet with a can of beer? Let's first prepare a used beer and a sandpaper. Let's sharpen like that. To remove the bottom of the beer can, you've got to sharpen the bottom of the beer can. Take time to see each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. Prepare to add a piece of wood and glue gun. Fix the beer can on that piece of wood. You can shoot an extra layer of glue on the outside. Beer cans are stronger. Next, let's fix the magnet. The top of the beer can. What country are you watching the video from? Leave a comment, let me know. It's amazing when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your support. Use a drill to make 2 holes in the bottom of the water. Can you just cut and fix 2 copper wires through that hole? Let's roll the copper wire into a spring. Do you think this trick worked? Wrap the remaining end of the copper wire into the charger and use insulating tape. Wrap it up. Do the same with the rest. As you can see, we're almost done. Adjust a little to fit. Then take a part of charging cable. Fire the wires inside. And use the copper core inside. Continue with the rest of the black line. Let's get a wire to connect to the television. Cut off the outside. And we'll also use the copper core inside. I left each first class outside. Then wrap it up. Fixed by insulating black adhesive tape. Extremely simple tool, very useful in practice. Let's plug the wires into that antenna. And then do the experiment. This was before there was no signal. It's a very effective tool. How do you see this sign? Who tried it? Please share. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to my support channel. Share so that people know more about this trick. I wish you success.